Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Oh wait. Just waiting on you. Click it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. It's going to be a busy day in the workshop today. So, hi, it's Stacy. Today, we're going to fix this. So, for those of you who didn't watch my daily vlog, this is one of my favorite brushes. It's a Purdy brush that I forgot about. I had started a project. I laid it down. I was going to come back in a few minutes. Got sidetracked, and it dried. It's hard. It's hard as a rock. It's not going anywhere. And one of my viewers, who's also a picket fence gal, hi Fred, said I can fix it. So we're going to try it. We're going to use Fred's method to fix a dried out paint brush. Stay tuned. Okay, for this method, Fred says I have to boil vinegar. So I'm going to go do that and bring it back here just because you don't want to see my kitchen. It is a one-butt kitchen. It's a tiny little kitchen. But I have white vinegar on a measuring cup, in a measuring cup. Oh, you got a big measuring cup. And I'm going to boil water and bring it back. Boil water, boil vinegar and bring it back. Oh, vinegar, is there anything you can't do? As you can see, it is steaming. Oh, yeah, it smells like making pickles. Makes your eyes water. Hot vinegar smell. Fred says, put it in the vinegar. Fun little science experiment, he says. So we're going to let that sit and see how long that takes. Okay, it's only been about 10 minutes and it's already softened this quite a bit. I think any heat probably would have done that. We're going to let it keep doing the magic here though. Okay, so this is several hours later. I'm going to, it's actually, I don't know, 5 hours later. I'm going to go wash it out and see if it all comes out. I mean, it's still pliable, so we're going to try it. Okay, guys, so I took it out and I scrubbed it. I used a scouring brush on it and it didn't come off. So I boiled more vinegar, so now I'm 4 cups into vinegar, and now it's sitting again. I tried to comb it out with this too. It didn't work. Well, some came off. I mean, it did come off. It is making an effort, but I don't know. This might be a goner. I did a brush like this to scrape down. So I took some dishwasher detergent and dishwashing liquid and scraped down. And so far, no good. So I'm going to let it soak for a little bit longer. We're going to keep giving it a chance, and I'll try it again. I wanted to show you the results of cleaning my brush, but I can't go into my office because my new puppy then freaks out. So I'm going to show you right here in my living room. Sorry. The background's changed, but I'm still awesome. Here is the finished brush. It's not perfect, but it is pliable now. I can use it, but you can see there's still some paint in there. I didn't get it all out. I like scrubbed, guys. Like, I took that. So I did my best. It's definitely still, it's usable now. You can see it's flexible. It won't be my favorite brush anymore. It's not my favorite brush, but it's going to still be good. And moral of that story is take care of your brushes, folks. I mean, if I had, washed this right away, we wouldn't be having this conversation, but I didn't. So I need to be more responsible. But this will work. I mean, it's definitely now a paintbrush again. So the vinegar does work. I had to leave it overnight in the vinegar because it wasn't a quick you know, a couple hours, scrub it out, and it's done. No, I literally had to scrub it, boiled more vinegar, stuck it back in, left it for a couple more hours, scrubbed it, boiled more vinegar, stuck it back in, left it overnight, then scrubbed it out again. And you can tell, I mean, it absorbed, it's got that aging from vinegar. This, you know, when you do vinegar on wood, it creates that dark aged look. It soaked it up, wicked it up overnight into here, but now it's actually working. So for me, at least, it wasn't a quick, you know, soak it for a couple hours, scrub it out, and you're all good to go. It did take an overnight for me, but it works. So, I mean, it's going to keep me from having to buy. I don't use this wide brush very often. Most of the time I'm using a narrow brush. So this is just for like larger sidewalls. And then I usually end up rolling over it to make sure that it's smooth and you don't see brush marks anyway. So it'll be fine. The ends are still soft. This is all soft. It'll be good. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to click the link below. It's right down there. Right, it's right there. See that square? Click it. Click that. And if you haven't yet gotten your Junkin t-shirts of any kind and sort, thanks to everybody who's already bought theirs. It supports me. It supports this channel. It helps me pay for all the fun new project stuff I got coming up. Wait till you see what I got coming up. I'm literally sitting in front of a project right now that I'm only going to show you guys on my blog. Because I think sometimes people don't go to the blog. So go to peonylanedesigns.com. Make sure you get signed up for my email list. And don't forget to go to SV Case at Instagram. So on Instagram, I'm SV Case because there's another Peony Lane Designs who hasn't posted in 4 years and she won't give it up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm always grateful when you guys comment. So comment down below. Let me know if there's something you want to see me try. If you've heard rumors that this works, that works, I will test it out. Those 5-minute craft ones, you guys, that my daughter sees, and she's like, Mom, if you do this, this, and this, like, if you take 2 pipe cleaners and some chewing gum, you could build a bookshelf. No. You can't. You can't. Don't trust anything on 5-minute crafts. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials, and of course, more Junkin videos.